generation blockchain is more flexible to keep data more secure and fast transaction from like before the transaction is like 3 seconds, these were like 100 times less than other blockchains. This is how.
That's very nice. Okay, so if in case there's some individual who are interested to invest on this, how they will be able to contact him?
I told you we are not selling anything. Reselling solutions. So no need any investment. Just go to our project. There is more than 20 projects developed in the same blockchain. Just what you need in your life. Like you need some banking kind of product, just use firstinvestment.io. If you need some keeping your digital currency, then just you download the Love Wallet.
Love wallet.
Yeah, Love Wallet.
Love wallet.
LOVE, Love Wallet.
Love.
For lover of cryptocurrencies and
Yes.
digital currency.
Okay.
So you can keep it in your pocket. No need to buy anything.
Okay.
If you love shopping, just go to the Bfic store.
Very nice.
If you want same like investment bond or gold bond or insurance bond, here is a Bitcoin bond. World first Bitcoin bond in the same blockchain. So this kind of product, we are not selling any schemes or like any investment, but of course we service the people by the product, by the solution.
So let me repeat, this is now the event for Innovation Factory. If in case the televiewers would like to understand, I really want their uniform, very unified here. They came from different countries, from different locations, different industries, but they are all unison in one here, in one event. And